Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your Pizza Hut order history. Open the website pizzahut.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for orders. Click on Orders. Now, you will see your previous order under the Order History section. That's how you view your Pizza Hut order history. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.